Hello friends, welcome back in this series of prediction of important question. Now this is chapter number 8, electrostatic scoring chapter. Little bit lengthy but very easy chapter. Please study it sincerely. First question is what? By using Gauss theorem, find electric field intensity for at some distance for spherical conductor and for cylindrical conductor. Out of these two, one will be there in the final exam. Then the next is general expression for potential energy due to this electrostatic charge. Next is electric potential due to electric dipole. Electric potential due to electric dipole. Then potential energy when electric dipole is placed in external field. Electric dipole is placed in external field is again a very important question. The next part is difference between polar and non-polar dielectric. Difference in capacitors connected in series and capacitors connected in parallel. See, why I am giving importance to the difference? Because automatically you are going to prepare the expression for capacitors in series and capacitors in parallel. Because this part is very important as far as numerical is also concerned, because these numericals are theory based numericals. Okay. For finding charge on one capacitor or potential on another capacitor, when all these capacitors are connected in different combination, such kind of numericals are very favorite as far as examiner is concerned. Then capacitance of capacitor by using dielectric. We know that when dielectric is placed in parallel plate capacitor, dielectric develops electric field which opposes external field applied to the parallel plates. Okay, so that expression is important. Then numerical for slabs placed parallel to each other, dielectric slabs, and dielectric slabs in series like capacitors. Okay. Then expression for energy stored in capacitor. And the last question what I feel is diagram of Van de Graaff generator working and construction for at least 3 mark. Okay, there are few important numericals on electrostatic. First is what? Find the ratio of potential difference that must be applied across the parallel and series combination of two capacitors. C1 and C2 are those capacitors with their capacitance in the ratio 1:2, so that the energy stored in these two cases became the same. Such kind of numericals are very important. Or second numerical, I think I'm taking the reference of textbook. Second numerical is 125 small liquid drops, each carrying a charge of 0.5 microcoulomb and each of diameter 0.1 meter, form a bigger drop. Calculate the potential at the surface of the bigger drop. Such kind of small numericals will be there. I think this much part is sufficient for this chapter number 8. Thank you dears.